Hello friends, in this video you can see how to hack Watch Dogs 2. Here we are using cheat engine to hack that. And now open the cheat engine and select the process. Here we can see the Watch Dogs 2 process and select that and open. Here we can see that it shows an error. Click OK and minimize it. And now right click the Watch Dogs 2 icon and go to properties, type space and enter the following line to it. And click apply and OK. Now open the Watch Dogs 2 game. Here rob a person, and now your money had been increased to 4690. Now open the Watch Dogs 2 process. Now it does not say any error. Now enter the value and click first scan. Here it gives number of addresses, but we have to filter this. Now go to Watch Dogs 2 game. Now rob another person, and now you have increased your money. Now enter the value in cheat engine. We have 4756 and click next to scan. It shows number of addresses. Now return to your game. Increase your money. Now enter this value and click next scan. You can see the number of addresses here. Select all the addresses and pin to here and select all and press enter and change the value to your desired value. Now return to your game and click resume. Now you can see that your money has been changed and you can use it. That's all friends. If you like this video, press the like button and do not forget to subscribe.